Hello! Today I'm going to show you how to register for a free trial on the Ahsay Managed Backup as a Service platform, or AMBaaS. Let's go to my screen and get started. Open your web browser. Then type the URL ahsay.com/en. Click the free trial button. Then scroll down and fill up the registration form. Type your name, email, and city. Enter your name or company name, which will become part of your personalized URL. You'll use this URL to access your AMBaaS backup server instance. You will be able to manage your account, manage your users, view reports, and manage your backup sets on the personalized URL. Next, choose the Ahsay Drive region that's closest to your location. Click Submit when you're done. After completing the registration form, you will receive an email from Ahsay confirming your 15-day free trial of AMBaaS and other essential information on your account. You will receive the link to your backup server right here, which is the personalized URL that we set up earlier. It also shows the capacity of your Ahsay Drive that's allotted to you. This section shows you the link to the download page of your AMBaaS Web Management Console. You will be able to download either Ahsay OBM or Ahsay ACB backup agents that's compatible with your operating system. This also shows you the login credentials of your test user, as well as your admin user account used to manage your AMBaaS backup server instance. You will be able to perform your first backup job using your test user account, and there are also links to guides on how to backup on other supported applications. Lastly, there are links to the Quick Start Guide on how to use AMBaaS Web Management Console, as well as quick start guides on how to install and create a file backup on Ahsay OBM for Windows and Mac. And that's how to register for a free trial on the Ahsay Managed Backup as a Service platform, or AMBaaS. Register now and give it a try. Start backing up your data now.